quick video of Slash's protection. It's not quite 10 weeks old. This is a strong puppy. All of the puppies in the S litter are strong, and this guy's no exception. He is fired up. You want him? Watch him. We're always just looking for prey drive, physical toughness, mental toughness, willingness to engage, crushing powerhouse grips. These are all just characteristics to let us know with our 30 years of experience, where is this going to go? How are we going to develop this dog? When you have a puppy that crushes prey like that, there's no real mystery there. He's going to go very quickly. Now,
Hey, get out of here!
not at all scared by the big yelling bad man.
Oh.
So we just have a little toy on this, drag, and we're just testing him. This is not training. This is just sort of our way of testing to see what kind of mentality this puppy has. Has he got a hard, physical nature about him, or is he soft? A lot of puppies like to chase, but if it gets hard on them, they'll just quit. As you can see, this puppy's not got any quit in him. No physical problem whatsoever. This guy's hard mentally. He's hard physically. And he's got crushing powerhouse grips. He's not even 10 weeks old. So we're going to be able to push this dog in the training. We're going to be able to use his prey drive to enhance the obedience. Puppies in a home with small children. He's getting extreme socialization. He's going to get extreme obedience. This is a Build-A-Beast candidate if there ever was one. Slash. Not quite 10 weeks old. Give us a call.